we like to call our exterior sets, or this area specifically, is our metropolitan sets, and it's a 4-acre section of our 400-acre lot. And now, it doesn't always have to be New York, but it is commonly used as New York, so I'm going to go ahead and pass the mic to a New York local himself. Here's Jimmy Fallon.
Hey everyone, welcome to New York! I got my start right here in New York on Saturday Night Live. This is actually my old neighborhood. Once got mugged over there. An old woman. Tough lady. This is my favorite hot dog guy. Hey buddy, how's it going? Remember me?
Jimmy here at Universal. We like to say the world is literally just around the corner, on your right-hand side. You can peek into our Courthouse Square, or otherwise known as Hill Valley from Back to the Future. We currently have some filming going on inside of our Metro set for Ted the series that I mentioned earlier. And I know I also mentioned the world's literally around the corner. Over on your right-hand side, we're passing by our London Square. London Square was utilized for both the Mindy Project as well as Austin Powers. You see, our metropolitan sets don't always have to be New York. They were Baltimore in NBC's Hairspray Live. We made it look like Chicago in the Blues Brothers. And actually, as we come down, go ahead and take a peek onto our Brownstone Street, those little apartments with the staircases. I'm going to tell you what filmed there. That's where Mindy Lahiri lived in the Mindy Project in Home Alone 2, Lost New York. That's where Kevin McAllister was dropping bricks on top of the bad guys. He was, Macaulay Culkin was also there for Michael Jackson's music video, Black or White. And speaking of music videos, we also filmed Lady Gaga's music video, Edge of Glory, right there as well. And, of course, that's also where Bruce lived in Bruce Almighty.
Grace, the dog!
I'm in the shower!
Inside bad, outside good. Inside bad, outside good. Oh, you're done now. Great. B-E-A-U.
Now, I did mention how we filmed some scenes from Home Alone 2, Lost in New York here. So, we were working with Macaulay Culkin for that movie, and at that time, he was a child actor. And sometimes when you're working with child actors on sets, you have to abide by certain laws. And one of them for Macaulay Culkin was that he was not allowed to walk the streets of New York alone, which is the whole premise of the movie, basically. And so they did a lot of the filming in New York. That is where they did a lot of that filming. But for the scenes where he had to walk the streets, they brought their metropolitan sets. And so what we have to do is this thing that we like to call day for night. We put a giant black tarp over this entire 4-acre section just to block out the sun so that we can have ample time.
You're on board the ship, you're sailing to a lost island, you're encountering monsters and creatures from, prehistoric times. So I was thrilled when Universal invited me back to Skull Island. And it's great to have you along for the ride. Now we have created this 3D, immersively majestic, ancient creature. He's a force of nature. He's old, he's wise, he's proud, he's fierce, and obviously he has a heart. Various dinosaurs on Skull Island, so he's been beaten up, scarred, chewed up. Glasses on, everybody. We're back in Skull Island.
Working on a movie, we always know people are looking. They're looking straight ahead. They're looking at the shot that we're working on. Here, you have to take into account that people are looking in all